It is possible to add a small amount of text to one of your gCADPlus drawings and have that text linked to a URL. As an example, if we wanted to specify that this plant in here was a particular Banksia, we could put some text in and we could say draw some true type or Windows text, and we'll, just for the sake of argument, say pop in the word Banksia, and you'll notice it's going to come in very large, but I can make it much smaller, rotation angle 0, so we can pop that just sitting there over the marker. We'll make it even smaller. You notice it's 0.13, so we'll make that 0.1 of a drawing unit, and we'll use the gCADPlus URL entity and pick it, and I'll paste the URL to a particular website where I've got a photograph of Banksia praenotes, which is the plant that I'm going to use there. So we'll OK it. Now we'll just zoom out a little. You can see that that small amount of text is not going to interfere with the drawing proper. In fact, you could have it on a layer and turn that layer off and only turn it on when you wanted a client to check that particular species. So we could now zoom in, just double click on the text, and you notice we swing away into our browser, and let's close our browser and return to our CAD program. So any piece of text can swing directly to a website. The gable shelter here swings to a website for the manufacturer of the sorts of shelters that we are specifying. They've got a lot of photographs of it, so that gives our client a really good idea of what we're intending to build and cuts down dramatically on the need to build 3D information to show the client. So the URL tool is a very handy tool indeed.